Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trim videos in a CapCut new update. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut and add the video that you want to edit, if you want to trim videos, it's also simple. It's so easy. You just click on the videos, and after this, in here you just swipe this icon to left or right like this, and or you can click on the part that you want to delete, maybe this part, and after this you can click on the split and you can click on the part that you want to delete, maybe this one, click on it, and after this you can click on delete. And after this you can click on this part that you want to trim, maybe this one, and click on the video, and now you can click on the split at the bottom and go to the part that you want to delete, maybe this one, click on it, and after this you can click on delete at the bottom and finish. So that's how to trim videos in CapCut new updates. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.